My number one fan of this week is my special bodyguard. His name is Caesar. He's a German Shepherd. I have him on the show today. And now let's all give a round of applause for Caesar. Caesar. Caesar, are you there? That's weird. He's supposed to be right next to me. I don't know what went wrong. I have to tell him. Because honestly, you can't just go to a show and cancel. Hang on, I'll be right there. Hello? Hello? Oh, Caesar cannot make the show. That's too bad because no one can see him. I finally started working out this week, but I can't say it didn't work out so well. Imposter hasn't worked out a single bit in his life, and I bet he can't take a step without having a heart attack. Well, he stands no chance against Forget to like this video, leave a comment, or subscribe to my channel. And you can attempt to be the number one fan. Goodbye.